Yeah, I keep fucking up, man. Yeah. Yeah. Look, tell me y'all look. At times I wanna get out, but I just can't. And even though I'm still here, feels like that you ain't. What the heck is up with that? The second I try to leave, you go wanting me back. We try to be just friends, but it don't work. We tryna be just lovers, but it wasn't worth the pain, the heartbreaks that come in love. You tryna be tough, baby girl, you ain't no thug. You sit and listen to your little girlfriend. I could've sworn this was you and I's romance. Chill, but you picked them over me. It makes it pretty fucking clear that we were meant to be. Oh, well, on to the next one. Hard to move on while you always regret one. Just